everyone, today I am going to explain some important JavaScript string method in very simple easy way. I have already written my code on my screen. Now let me explain each line one by one. End with, this is part of second. End with, end with, end with checks whether the string and with the given word it return true or false. It given true or false return specify कि अगर एनी एनीवेयर न्यू स्ट्रिंग अगर कोई स्पेसिफाई कैरेक्टर न्यू ऐड होता है और अगर उसके अंदर नहीं है तो वो ट्रू और फॉल्स के अंदर अपने को वैल्यू बताएगा. नंबर सेकेंड, includes the include method checks if a word or character exists anywhere inside in the string. This also return true or false. Last index of, this method searches from the end and return the last position where the character appears. Last index post, last position where the character. Number 9, char code it return the sky value on Unicode numeric value of the characters at the that index. Sky value like 65 to start, and last index of. And here we check last index of again. If the char character is not found, JavaScript return means 1. Once char character is not found, return 1. So there were some powerful and commonly used JavaScript string method. If you want to me explain more method or bullied a full beginner friendly JavaScript series, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.